Ta-da! I finally got Atomy Synergy Ampoule Program. I'm so excited I can finally try this for myself. This one says it will give you miraculous youthful transformation in 4 weeks. It sounds so good, but does it really work? It may not be miraculous, but I see my mom, my friends, and some people who started this program earlier, and they seriously beautifully glow, and their skin looks brighter, refreshed, and much younger. So for sure, this one will level up your skin and my skin. This ampoule do great job for sure, because I see that, because I remember how they look before this program. Synergy Ampoule Program is 4 weeks intensive skincare solution. So basically, we use this program for 4 weeks, then you will get youthful transformation. So I'm going to open the box and let's see how they look and what can do for you, it can do for me. Synergy Ampoule Program is 4 weeks intensive skincare solution with 4 high-functional plant-derived prestige ampoules designed to target different skin concerns. Code 0 Advanced Hydration hydrates and firms your skin, and it brings up your skin from negative condition to 0, which is great foundation for other ampoules to work better for you. Code 1 Vital Luminous is non-irritative brightening ampoules. It lightens your skin tone and dark spots. Code 2 is 24 Pure Gold Infusion. So it will lift your skin and it will get rid of your wrinkles. Code 3 is Miracle Rejuvenating. It will give you total anti-aging effects. Each ampoule contains 2 parts, core ampoule and active ampoule. Active ampoule is known highly effective premium ampoules, but it is really hard to stabilize. So many ampoules in the market cannot have much. But in Atomy Synergy Ampoule Program, this active ampoule is hidden, kept freshly in this cap. So this one is designed to activate just before you use them. So when you get this box, don't mix with active ampoule, core ampoule together yet until you use it. So you press the button really hard and break the seal and release the active ampoule from the cap. And you can mix with core ampoule together and shake it. So once it's activated, it should be done in 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, it's not going to work the best. It's not going to be fresh enough. So we start number 0 first. And we use this first ampoule for the first week, and then you can add next ampoule in the next week. So it's okay to use for 2 ampoules in 1 week, but we don't use 3 ampoules in 1 week. But for the first ampoule, you use only 1 code 0 ampoule for the first week, and then you can add another ampoule in the next week. If you try this ampoule program for the second time, third time, then you can use only code 0 for a couple days. Then you can start adding the new ampoules. Today I talked about what is Atomy Synergy Ampoule Program and what can do for you. So in my next videos, I'm going to open code 0 and I will actually use for myself. You will see how these ampoules work for me. And I'll also guide you how to use them in different applications to suit your different skin types. This ampoule program is very effective and highly concentrated, so you will get different results depending on how you use them. So in my next videos, you will learn more about this amazing program, and I will guide you one by one how to use them.